Why do 60% of swimming pools use chlorine? Let's find out. Chlorine, symbol Cl and atomic number 17, is truly a hidden gem. This greenish-yellow gas is more than just a pool cleaner, it's a lifesaver. Did you know chlorine helps keep our drinking water safe by killing harmful bacteria? And it's not just about hygiene. Chlorine is a key player in making everyday products like paper, textiles, and even medicines. But wait, there's more. In its natural state, chlorine is pretty reactive, forming compounds like table salt, sodium chloride. Yep, the same stuff you sprinkle on your fries. Now here's a fun fact. Chlorine was discovered in 1774 by Carl Wilhelm Scheele, but it wasn't until 1810 that Sir Humphrey Davy confirmed it's an element. So next time you swim, drink water, or season your food, give a nod to chlorine. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, science is all around us. Until next time, stay tuned for more periodic table adventures.